Literally posted a lot of how much YouTube pay me, how much TikTok pay me, and how much Facebook pay me here on YouTube. And as someone that has been on content creating journey for the past 5 years, I am here to tell you the advantages, and which you should really choose and focus on, and why you should focus on such social media platform. And this is not me saying that all social media platforms are not important. All social media platforms are important, and have it at the back of your mind that what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. What work for Mr. C might not work for Mr. D. So Facebook might not be working for you very well. YouTube might work out for you very well. YouTube might not be working for you very well. And TikTok might work out for you very well. These three platforms can be monetized, but have it at the back of your mind that before you monetize on Facebook, you need to have 10,000 followers, and then you need to also tell Facebook that you are interested. You click on that I'm interested, so that once they know you reach your monetization threshold, they are going to automatically tell you to put in your payout, blah blah blah. And have it also at the back of your mind that on Facebook you have to strictly do your content. Do not copy people's content. Do not over generate AI content just because you want to monetize, by all means. So for you to make money or for you to monetize, you have to make sure everything you're doing is legally yours. Okay. So on YouTube, for you to be able to monetize 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, we all know that already. Why on TikTok, for now, for those people in Nigeria, for you to monetize, you need to have a UK TikTok account or an international TikTok account that the country is literally monetized. As you all know, I am using the UK TikTok account, and also I've been able to make something decent out of my TikTok account. With that being said, why do you need to choose, or which do you need to choose from any of this? Now, let's first of all start talking about the disadvantages of YouTube. Now, for YouTube content creators, you need to know different strategies that can literally help you grow fast on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is not a platform that you can literally just come put anyhow content and disappear. YouTube is a platform that you need to critically state what you are here to do, the niche you want to invest in, and have it at the back of your mind that at the same time you need to also look out for niche that is workable, niche that is educational or funny, entertaining, niche that is also good pay. A lot of people on this platform making a lot of videos, getting a lot of views, 1 million views, 2 million views, 1 point something million views, 500k views. Still, they cannot even make half quarter of what people are getting 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 views are making. So niche is very important on YouTube. You also need to have it at the back of your mind that if you're coming on YouTube, you don't need to be on the rush hour list. You need to take it one step at a time, okay? And you need to come with that mindset of I will make it here whether the devil like it or not. Because if you come with that mindset of oh, let's just see if it works out and I get monetized, you might not get monetized as possible as you think, or as quick as you think, or you might also get monetized as quick as you think, but not making all of that coins down to your account, and you will literally give up. Facebook, on the other hand, is easy to create content, it's easy to navigate, it's easy to just put out anything and that thing literally just blow up. In fact, a lot of things that you don't expect for it to even literally blow up on Facebook, that is what blows up. And one good part about Facebook, again, that I know very well is they don't really focus more on niching down fully. I'm not saying niching down fully is not good. I have people doing lifestyle, I see people doing AI content, and so on and so forth. But Facebook is actually a platform that you can literally easily switch to another content, just like I switch from my Facebook lifestyle to news creating content. So if I'm to be doing that on YouTube, it'll be more hard. Okay, like very, very difficult. I've also tried that here on YouTube in trying to switch one of my channel to the same thing I do on Facebook. It was a little bit difficult for me. I have to come back again to what I was doing, and then I have to start again. So you can see that on Facebook other end, it is easy to navigate, it's easy to switch, it's easy to just get a viral video, and it's very easy to create as well. Now on TikTok, on the other hand, you need to know that if not international TikTok accounts, you cannot get monetized. Only live stream can actually get you monetized. And the disadvantage about TikTok, on the other hand, is the videos you even less concerned about. That is the video that TikTok is literally going to strike that video, that video has literally disqualified. they have strike my videos on countless time that the video is disqualified. You might have a video of 500k going on views, they keep promoting that video, but you're not making shishi from that video. So you can see that is a whole lot of disadvantage. Okay, but when it comes to creating of content, it is easy to also create, it is easy to edit your content, and that's the beauty of TikTok. You create, you edit your content, you upload your content seamlessly without having any issue. And even if you want to download, you download directly without watermark. That's the beauty with TikTok. So in all of this, each and every one of this platform have their advantage and they have their disadvantage. Okay, but let's talk about the money part of it, which makes money better. I believe this is really niche down to the kind of content you create. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, AI content do better on Facebook. Okay, and I've seen a lot of people say, oh, AI content don't really do well on YouTube. Okay, so if we're talking about the monetization part of it, if you're creating long videos on YouTube, right? Long videos on YouTube generate you more revenue quick, like ASAP. I've created a video. The video I actually uploaded that has 2 point something K view right now. That video has literally made $4, which in another kind of content, if it is maybe Facebook or TikTok per se, you will not even be making anything. Even if you have 10,000, some people even have 20 to 30,000 views, even 200,000 views. I've seen just 1 cent on one of my friends' channel that on one of my friends' page that she literally shared to me. So YouTube is good with revenue with long form videos. But if you want to swipe to creating short on YouTube as well, I feel like the pay is even still more better than Facebook. But I've also seen content creators on Facebook telling you that they will never go look for YouTube because Facebook creates helps them create content better and they maximize their earnings. And one beautiful thing about monetization on Facebook is that you can monetize your pictures, you can monetize your story, you can monetize your writing, so you can monetize your video. Anything eventually you create on Facebook, you can monetize it. That is the beauty. On YouTube, here you cannot create posts and monetize it. You cannot create posts and monetize it. Okay, you cannot even create what they call it, put pictures and monetize it, but Facebook do that seamlessly. And that is why a lot of people say if you can invest yourself more on Facebook and you post, you write. That's why I see people writing. Some people, you keep seeing them writing on their timeline every single time. You see them sharing their posts on their stories and so on and so forth. Okay, you see them doing a lot of things, so you can still get bonus. Because I only talked about how much Facebook paid on that particular video. I want to talk about how much I'm generating from bonus. There are some bonus I earn up to $160. One bonus. There are some bonus I earn up to $58. That the least bonus on Facebook, the least bonus I've gotten is $58. So my videos might not be performing more revenue, but by the time they give you like 3 4 of those bonus and you're able to meet up with those bonus, you are good to go. Some of the bonus are very easy to create, like upload so amount of videos, while some are also difficult. I don't know if bonus varies, but mostly the one they do give me is probably maybe upload 16 videos in 7 days. And there is no way in 7 days I'm not going to be meeting up in uploading 9 videos. Some, I think I even saw some upload 3 videos that they gave me and I earn $58. So that's the beauty with Facebook monetization. You earn all round if you are investing your time. That's why you see most of these content creators on Facebook. They put pictures, they put stories, they do this, they do that. So by the time all of those things accumulate, they're going to be earning reasonable and good amount of money. Me, I'm not good in writing. Me, I'm not good in always creating posts, especially the kind of content that I create. Okay, but in all, I can tell you that Facebook monetization is all around. So if you're not making it in this one, you're making it in this one, you're making it in that one. So that's the beauty. Why Facebook only the only way you can, why YouTube the only way you can literally make money so much is when your long form videos are performing well. If your long form videos are not doing well, you are relying on shorts. It's gonna be hard. Except maybe you have like more viral shorts. On TikTok, on the other hand, you're going to be making money with your videos when you have good views. If you don't have good views, forget about it. You can even have 200 views and you're not making anything. You can have 500 or 1 million views. They disqualify that particular video, and you look at that video each person on side. You'll be like, why are they disqualifying this video? You don't have any reason. So why am I saying this? I've been able to grow my TikTok account to 40,000 followers, which is my international TikTok account. I've been able to grow my Facebook to 160,000 followers, and I've been able to grow my YouTube channel here to 90 something thousand followers. So if you give me a platform and you ask me, Sonia, which do you want to invest more? For me, I will invest more my life, everything on YouTube. On YouTube, which is going to be like my first reason why, because I know if I invest on YouTube, I'll be able to make more money faster. Okay, and making money is the goal. You cannot tell me you're on social media just because you want to have fun. It's not possible. I have passion. It's the money that is making a lot of us to have passion. My husband's phone is ringing. So yeah, the second one I'll go for is Facebook. Reason, because they monetize every single thing. If videos is not doing well, pictures are doing well. If picture is not doing well, bonus is doing well. If this is not doing well, this, I can tell you that ever since Facebook monetized me and I started switching from this other content to this particular content that I literally have, every single month I get something out of Facebook. Okay, now for TikTok, which is the third one, which is my third option if I will literally go on any social media platform, is the fact that TikTok pays quick. So in all of my platform, I get my paycheck first from TikTok. TikTok paid every 15th of every month. So 15th of every month, I already see my money in my account and I'm so happy. I use that to sort out whatsoever I want to sort out with. Okay. Waiting till on the 21st that YouTube is going to pay. If I have anything that YouTube is going to pay me. And once I get YouTube, then I wait till on the 26th that Facebook is going to pay me. So you can see 15, 21st, and 26th for Facebook. So in all, literally what I'll advise you is, if you're creating content, do not rely on one particular social media platform. Rely on every single social media platform. Put all your efforts everywhere. Cast all your stones everywhere. If this one is not doing well for you, this will be doing well for you. There was a time, I'm still making money here on YouTube, but there was a time I was making more on YouTube, like I was cashing out big time on YouTube, okay? And I was not even getting anything from these two sides, which is Facebook and TikTok. Right now, I'm getting something every single month from Facebook and TikTok, okay? And then I'll now get small as well from YouTube. So three platform pay me, even if, for example, I make at least 1 million naira every single month. As someone that lives in Nigeria, I think I'm going to be a bit comfortable for now. I'm not going to be saying I'm going to be too comfortable, because a lot of people know that money right now in this country, you are not going to be comfortable with any amounts that you're literally making. But at least I'm going to be thanking God, because it will be hard for me to get a job that will pay me that amount every single month. I've shared my revenue before when I was working. Of the highest money you earn, maybe plus the service charge is 100 and something thousand naira, and then you're getting 1 million every single month. So a reasonable person should be able to invest very well and then get something for his or herself. Okay, so that is it. Let me know in the comment section, which do you think you would choose if you're given a platform to choose from these three social media platform, and how many social media platform are you currently on? I want to know, because for me, I'm on X, I'm on Instagram, I'm on what I call it, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Thread, I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube. Okay, so you can also do the same, but let me know which you're currently on and let me know how you do navigate yours. If you want me to give you strategies on how you can navigate every single social media platform at once, let me know as well. I'm going to bring in out that video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.